remember, this reminds me of back in the day. You taught me 2 songs.
Yeah, I remember. At least one of them.
One of them was Blind Melon, No Rain.
Oh yeah.
The Picking. You want to play that? So, do you remember the other one? Tom Petty, Free Fallin'?
Yeah.
So while Cory plays here, the story goes like this. I do not have a musical bone in my body, but I really wanted to, and Cory is an extremely gifted musician. And so he taught me these 2 songs. I went out and bought a guitar, and we were hanging out, and he would teach me. And, you know, I could play a little bit, and all I did is play those 2 songs continually over and over, and I thought, one day I'd understand music and I'd learn it. So I was sitting on the tailgate of a friend's little Toyota pickup outside of a young adults event, and I was playing my guitar, showing off to Tyler Moore, and I was playing those 2 songs, and lo and behold, this pretty girl saw me playing, who has a very musical background, and she can play anything and do anything with the guitar or any instrument she picks up. And she saw me playing, and she talked to her friend, and we got set up on a blind date, and that was 27 years ago. And the rest is history. I married her, and it was all a farce. Thanks, Cory.
You're welcome.
Turning out to be a nice evening. The wind has totally died down. Wow, just a beautiful evening. I love living in the country. Where do we want to go?
I don't know, is there a cool road around here for going for a cruise?
Yeah, let's go down the next range road over there. Oh, let's just go for a drive, have some fun. Talk
Sounds
about
good.
the good old days.
Sounds good.
It's a good day for a drive. A little breezy.
Yeah, the wind picked up a little bit. It was so calm this morning.
I know, yesterday was not nice. Got a little bit of dirt on the camera, I think, here. Didn't help any, but whatever. You want to start a camp somewhere?
Yeah, that was a big dream of ours years ago.
Yeah, a lot of years ago.
Yeah.
So, how much was that land? Quarter section.
I think 25,000 is what they were going to give it to us for if we were starting up a camp.
Yeah. Cory and I had a dream of starting a camp and found a good deal on some land. Unfortunately, when we got there, we talked to some guys that that were living, well, actually they worked next to it at a sawmill, and it was by Sicamous. Yes. This guy that we went and talked to, he was a very, very big man, not fat, he was just a big guy, and he laughed us, and he said, you know what Sicamous means? What did he say?
It's swampland or something, isn't it?
No, he said Sicamous means Big Mosquito.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. But it ended up where that whole quarter, there was only about 5 acres that didn't flood every year.
Yeah, it was on the river flood pretty much.
Yeah. But that was a good adventure. We left here
after work on a Friday, I think.
Yeah.
And drove straight from Medicine Hat to Sicamous, BC, and I don't know how many hours that was, but it took us all night. Got there, I think, at 4 or 5 in the morning.
Yeah. And then I think we went and found the land first, wasn't it?
No, we got a hotel for a bit.
Ordered a pizza.
Ordered a pizza. I was too tired to even eat.
Yeah, I think I ate a piece maybe and fell asleep with some of it in my mouth.
Yeah, and then we got up early, went checked out the land.
Yeah, that was fun. That was a lot of fun.
Yeah.
We did lots of fun adventures like that.
That's just after we got that 78 Dodge running though, really.
Yeah.
We took your whole toolbox in the back of it, just in case something broke down on the trip, I think.
Yeah, so we, I had a 78 Dodge short box. It had a 340 in it, and it was a really ripping motor. Like, it was a good motor, but it was worn right out. And so Cory bought the truck.
Yeah, and the deal was Merl needed the engine back.
Yeah.
So part of the deal was he had to help me put in a new engine. And we knew each other before that, but we weren't best friends or nothing yet. But lo and behold, that 78 Dodge short box basically made us friends for life. So
Absolutely. A little windy out at the hilltop. So across the way is Red Cliff, and I live way back that way. Breezy up here.